How to set up and track saving goals in YNAB. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are signed in to your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the plan option from the bottom bar. Here you will see a list of your budget categories and accounts. To set up a saving goal, choose a category where you want to save money, such as emergency fund, vacation, or retirement. If you don't see the category, you can add it by tapping on the notes with the pencil icon in the top right corner. Then tap on the plus button next to the group to add a category, or tap on the three dots and select new category group and enter the category name. After that, tap on the category, then select add target. Next, choose the type of goal you want to create, for example, weekly, monthly, yearly, or custom by date. Enter the amount you want to save and set the timeline for your goal. Once finished, tap Save Target. After setting up the goal, YNAB will automatically track your progress as you add income or transfer money to that category. You will be able to see how close you are to reaching your target and adjust your contributions if needed. To track your savings, regularly review the category's progress bar and balance. YNAB updates in real time as you add transactions, giving you a clear view of your financial progress. Repeat this process for all saving goals you want to track. Now you know how to set up and track saving goals in YNAB. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.